With fierce ambition dominating the field, the all-new DJI T100S agricultural drone makes a powerful debut. Spraying capacity of 85 liters, dual nozzle flow rate reaches 40 liters per minute, a 33% increase, sufficient for high-volume spraying needs for corn, vegetables, and diverse scenarios. Facing fruit tree operation scenarios, the DJI T100S can be equipped with a brand new real mist nozzle with its maximum flow rate soaring to 50 liters per minute, allowing efficient work even on thick canopy fruit trees. Full flow spraying is still possible with a 10-micron filter, and the leaf coverage rate of the liquid is increased by 50%. The DJI T100S can quickly swap to the spreading system. It has a maximum capacity of 126 liters, enough for 2 bags of fertilizer at once. It supports calibration-free spreading, allowing for quick setup and operation using templates. It has a spreading capacity of 400 kilograms per minute and is equipped with 5 types of nozzles that can spread solid particles from 0.5 to 10 millimeters. It meets the demands of various scenarios like large fields, mountains, and aquaculture. Farm transport is complex, so efficiency and ease of use are paramount. The DJI T100S's full load vertical speed now reaches 4 meters per second, carrying payloads up to 95 kilograms, improving transport efficiency by 45%. Hoisting supports automatic route planning, trajectory tracking, cargo obstacle avoidance, and one key emergency escape. Equipped with a 3-axis attitude sensor, it automatically eliminates load sway during flight with auto-weighing for easy billing. The DJI T100S features an all-new 256-line LiDAR with point cloud density increased by 153%. Featuring a new generation of millimeter wave radar, the number of transmitting and receiving antennas has increased by 130%. Wire detection range is 5 times greater, allowing it to calmly bypass wires at a maximum flight speed of 10 meters per second, permanently recording obstacle information, making every flight safer. The all-new upgraded tri-camera vision supports 360-degree horizontal pedestrian and vehicle detection during takeoff and landing, along with numerous AR display functions, ensuring more comprehensive safety. The DJI T100S supports 2 operation modes, a large-screen remote controller and a mobile phone. A single phone can easily plan plots and complete fully automatic operations. Even offline, the mini remote and your phone work together for smooth, stable display. Flight area mapping is further upgraded, supporting trajectory recording. Fly a circle to automatically plan plot boundaries, detect and save obstacles, and generate 3D maps in real time, making area mapping much easier. Smarter orchard operations, 3D flight paths, auto-avoid power lines, reducing manual waypoint edits. The battery features a new air duct design with an onboard cooler dissipating heat mid-flight. Coupled with a ground-based air-cooled radiator, it breaks through heat waves, ensuring continuous operation without overheating. Flexibly paired with multiple charging devices, achieving 2 battery rotation, the DJI T70S fully inherits the T100S design, paired with a 30 Ah smart flight battery with a maximum payload of 70 kilograms and offers flagship value. Sauti per se, ici à cette kites. DJI Agrosphere adds a smart assistant, snap a photo to identify crop pests and disease types, generating prevention and control advice guides and real-time queries for usage tips, your personal agricultural expert. This is the brand new DJI T100S agricultural drone, simple yet efficient, revealing its magic everywhere.